If you want to set up Face Lock on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on Security and Privacy. From here just tap on Lock Screen, then enter your current lock screen PIN. Now from here just scroll down, and under the Biometrics section you will find the option of Face Recognition. Just tap on Face Recognition. Now if you have not set a screen lock password on your tablet, it will ask you to set a screen lock PIN or a password on your tablet first. And after you do that, then tap on Continue, and from here you can set a face lock on your tablet. Now just place your face in this camera frame, and after you do that, you will set up the screen lock recognition on your tablet. Now from here you can enable or disable some of these features, like you can enable brighten screen. Now if you enable this option, your tablet will automatically brighten its screen when you are in a low lighting environment to improve the face recognition. And also you can enable or disable stay on lock screen until swipe. Now if you enable this toggle and after you unlock your tablet using your face, you will have to swipe up to go to the home screen. Now I will disable this toggle. Now if I try to unlock my tablet using face recognition, as you can see, it has automatically unlocked itself. Just like that. And this is how you can set up Face Lock on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.